Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to make some very basic movement in Scratch. First, grab a when green flag clicked, forever, if, key. You can do whatever key you want to, but I'm gonna choose D, press, then change X by 10. Also, when put this in before the forever loop. And you can do that. Oh, uh, you can copy this and put A and do -10. And then you can copy no, -1 -10. And you can copy this and then put it here. Change this to Y when W clicked. Change Y by 10, and when S clicked, you change Y by -10. And we can go on to make a pretty simple game with it. So copy the player, name it to enemy, and change the costume to red or whatever you like. We'll delete this code, and when green flag clicked, hide forever. Wait. I usually pick random 0 to 2, so sometimes it spawns super randomly. Like sometimes it spawns 2, 3, 4, I don't know. And then you want to create a clone of myself. And when I start as a clone, you want to show the enemy and go to X. You pick random from 150, no, -150 to 150, and Y you set to, what is it, like 150. Also, you can change the size on them, so it's a bit easier. And add a forever loop. No, repeat until. Oh, we need to create a gun or a weapon. Yes, make some lines like this. Center it and set the size to 15. When green flag, and in a when green flag click block and a forever, go to player and point towards mouse pointer. So now we have a gun. You can move the gun a bit to the right. That should work, yes. See, they spawn. And then just add a simple circle. This should work. Not the best circle, not the worst circle. But it works. And set the size to 50 again. When green flag clicked, hide. And in this sprite, you need to add a if mouse down, then create clone of sprite 2, or you can name it the gun and bullet. But here, when I start as a clone, show and repeat until touching edge. So change, move 10 steps. Also point in direction. We need to add a point in direction. Here we have, you can change this to sprite and direction. So, and then you need to have point in direction of the gun. Move 10 steps, and then you need to delete this clone. And now you should have a working gun. Kind of OP, so just add in a weight 0.2. Now you have it. Yes, move this a bit. So, what did it look like? That? Oh, it needs to go up. Up there. Even more than there. That's too much. Then you need to pull down. That changed by much. I see what is going on. You need to put this in another forever loop. So just to copy it, and now it should move smoothly. But this still looks wrong. Now, almost there. That should work. Yes, that's kind of good. And then you need to, in the enemy, repeat until touching sprite 2, point toward player and move 10 steps. Also, set the rotation line to don't rotate. And when you touch sprite 2, delete this clone. And in here you need to add when green flag click, or we can just do it in here. If touching enemy stop all. So we can also add score like this. Type score for our sprite. Large readout on the top here. That should look pretty good. And when you delete this clone, change score by 1. Set score to 0. We can also add a simple record like this. Record. And when green flag clicked forever. If score is bigger than record, so we need to graph score, record, set record to score. So now we should have a working game. Yay! Full screen. The enemies are kind of fast. Oh wait, I see the problem now. We didn't actually go to the gun or sprite 1. So now it should look better. Yes, and we just need to move it down. Even more. That was too much, so we move it up. And we can make the enemies a bit slower, so set it to 77.5. Here, the record is 2. Yeah, let's just beat that. It's pretty good, kind of easy. See? Now we have a fully working record and a score. And a fully working game. Sometimes it can get a bit tricky. Don't be up here. Thanks for watching and have a good time.